Hello, welcome to Rockdale Art Center. This is Miss V. Today I'm going to show you how to make puffy paint with some shaving cream and some glue and some food coloring. Or if you don't have food coloring, you could pretty much mix any type of paint in there to get your colors. I'm going to show you then how to put it on an ice cream cone, or you can use the puffy paint on a cupcake and paint it in that way. So we'll get started. So any shaving cream will do, cheap from the dollar store is great. Let's shake this up here. So you need a bowl to put this in. Let's see, it expands a lot. That's going to make this paint puffy. All right, and then once you have all that in there, that's our shaving cream. You're going to take some glue, any kind of white glue works great. And then you can pour that all on top. It's almost like you're making a weird art supply sundae. So this is just white glue and shaving cream. It smells wonderful. And then after you have a whole bunch of glue on there, you're going to mix it together. So I have my shaving cream and my white glue in here. I'm going to take a popsicle stick. I'm going to mix it all up. I think I'm going to add a little bit more glue to this too. So I'm mixing up the shaving cream and the glue together. And I'm going to add a little bit more glue to this. And then I'll keep mixing it. And then after that, once you've mixed it up a lot, you can add color to it. So I'm going to mix this up a little more. And I'm going to add some color to this. So I have little cups here. I'm going to take some of the plain shaving cream and get it into some cups. That's a little awkward. So I can make a few different colors and I can use this to paint. So this type of paint, it's just shaving cream and glue, any kind of white glue mixed together. You can see it's really puffy. It's not permanent. You can't use it like on a t-shirt or something, but it's great for putting on drawings or paintings. So I'll do 3 colors today. Here's some more. I'm not going to fill this one up as much so I could stir it up. So this is the white glue and the shaving cream. I mixed it together really well. And I'm going to add some color. You can use food coloring for this, or you can use any type of paint you have in your house, basically. If you have tempera paint, poster paint, and acrylic paint, all of those will work just as well if you don't have food coloring handy. All right, so this will be one color here, and then I'm going to take my shaving cream and glue mixture, put it in a third cup. So I'm going to make 3 colors, and this really smells nice too. But do not eat it. This is only for art making and painting. So we have 3 cups of shaving cream and glue mixed together. And now we're going to add some color in there. I'll put this aside so I have white to use on top of my ice cream cone and on top of my cupcake. So we have some blue. You just need 1 drop. So put 1 drop here. 1 drop goes a long way with food coloring. And then you stir it up. That's nice and bright. If you don't have food coloring, you can also use any kind of paint. Like I said, tempera, acrylic, poster paint. I have some tempera paint just to show you can take a little bit of paint, whatever paint you have in the house, and you can mix it up. So now I have blue to work with. I'm going to leave it a little swirly. That looks cool. And then I'm going to make some red. I'm going to put 1 drop of food coloring here. Mix this up. So I'm making puffy paint with food coloring, shaving cream, and white glue. It's super puffy. It's great for working on paper. So I have blue, I have red, and I'm going to make some yellow also. Primary colors. So I have 1 drop of yellow in there. I'll mix this up. And then I'll decorate my cupcake that I drew and my ice cream cone. So this is the puffy paint, super puffy. It's really fun to mush around in a paper. If it's going to rain tomorrow a lot, this is a perfect thing to do. It's all washable because all this is shaving cream and white glue mixed together. So this is a washable type of paint. It won't be washable if you put acrylic paint in it. Acrylic paint is permanent. But if you use food coloring or tempera paint or poster board paint, that'll work great. I'll show you the ice cream cone here. So all I did was I cut a piece of cardboard, like a triangle, and I peeled up the top from this. So you could take any, if you have cardboard at home. Okay, and then I glued it down. I just used white glue in the back. I pushed it down. It's halfway dry. Now I could paint with it. So I think I'll put like a layer of the white on top first, and then I'll swirl it together. So you just take a scoop of your Puffy paint, and you dab it on here and smooth it around. And it dries puffy. It's not going to be as puffy as it is the first time you put it on there, but it will be 3D. So it's going to get a little bit smaller. See, I'm putting my ice cream cone up here. You can make scoops. Maybe I can make this a 2-scoop ice cream cone. So here I have a scoop of vanilla, and then maybe I'll have a scoop of strawberry on top. So I have Puffy paint there. And I have this Puffy paint. It's pretty sticky, but it washes super easily, so don't worry about that. And I'll put a scoop of strawberry on top. This one will be a little bit smaller. So it's hard to paint with a paintbrush with this, but a popsicle stick or any kind of stick, spatula, works really good. So I have my scoop of vanilla and my scoop of strawberry. And then I can put some sprinkles on there. So if you have sequins, fun sparkly things, or you can even just take like shredded paper and cut it into little tiny pieces, kind of like confetti. If you have confetti, even better. So I'm going to put some of the sequins on there, kind of decorate my ice cream cone. And then you let this dry. It probably will take overnight to dry. There's a nice couple big ones. There we go. So I have an ice cream cone made from Puffy paint, and the Puffy paint's made from shaving cream and white glue and food coloring and or paint. So now I'll show you the cupcake. So you want to let this dry overnight, and then it'll still be puffy, but it's going to be slightly less puffy than it is now. You can see it's pretty puffy on there. And if you make these, please post them in the comments. I'd really love to see what everybody creates with this. So here's my cupcake. I'll put this over here for now. And if you're able to, we always appreciate a contribution. If not, don't worry about it. So here's the cupcake. I didn't do blue yet, so maybe I'll take the blue and I'll put the blue on my cupcake. I think I'm going to swirl together the primary colors. So I have blue here. Put a couple good dabs of blue in the middle. I'll make it go up to the top. And then I could put a dab. So you can see I have a popsicle stick and a cup for each color. So I'll put some yellow over here. So I have blue, I have yellow, and then I'll put some red on there too. So this looks kind of like a nice vanilla flavored or lemon icing. And you can just mix these all together if you want, see what happens. That's always fun to do. I'll experiment with colors. And then I have my red right here. So I'll put red here. And then you can have a separate popsicle stick for like mixing and swirling. And that way you don't get all your colors mixed up. And then when you're done with them all, you might as well just mix them all up and see what happens. So I could spread that out here. Spread this out there. And now I could take my other popsicle stick and I could swirl it all together. So here's my clean popsicle stick. I'm just going to swirl it back and forth like that. Get it all the way to the edges of my cupcake shape. Here we go. Get some yellow in there. I'll smudge some yellow in there. Make little dabs and swirls. Bring this over this side. And then I could decorate this with your sequins, or if you have shredded paper, you could cut into confetti, or if you have any kind of confetti or anything like that, little tiny things you could put in your cupcake icing, like that. So this is my Puffy paint cupcake, and I'll put a couple little sequins on there. Here's a little sequin here. I'll let this dry. So, thank you for watching, and please post your pictures in the comments. And I'll show you the ice cream cone I had there. There's another sequin. So I made Puffy paint from shaving cream and white glue, and I mixed it together. And then I added some food coloring, or if you don't have food coloring, any paint works well too. And then I made separate colors of each one. And I swirled them to make the swirly cupcake right here. Put another one over here. And then I also made an ice cream cone. So I have my ice cream cone made from cardboard for the bottom. Just cut a piece of cardboard and I tore the front of the cardboard off to get the texture here. It's a 3D textural picture. And this is the Puffy paint. And then you let it dry overnight and you have a 3D drawing or painting with your own homemade Puffy paint. This Puffy paint is washable. It's great for using on paper or cardboard or anything else. So please post your pictures if you've made a cupcake or an ice cream cone in the comments. And if you're able to, you could contribute to keep us going. And we appreciate you watching this video. It will be saved on our Facebook page, and I'm going to upload this onto our YouTube. And I really appreciate you joining me today. Thank you very much. Enjoy a wonderful sunny day.